Still preparing for the open house. Tell me why I forgot a broom. Day 2. How could I forget a broom? There's leaves on the driveway. I've already started to clear it. That's why it looks better than it did. But let me tell you. My legs hurt. My back hurt. Oh my gosh. But I want to make it clean, so I'm going to get the leaves there. All these leaves. Always remember, have a presentable house, so. And do what you can. You guys might be wondering why I got these on. Y'all remember teaching driving shoes? These are mine. And they're nice. Here my shoes are right here. Boop. Never fear. Hey guys, it's Deja the Realtor. I'm back. I'm in the open house, getting all set up as you can tell. I wanted to show you what I do and how I get ready for an open house. So you start by turning on the lights, okay? All the lights need to be turned on. I did it downstairs already. Now I think we should. I hope everybody's having a great day because it's Saturday and it smells beautiful in here. Make sure when you're setting up a house, bring some air freshener. It will definitely have the house smelling beautiful and you'll love it. Open up the windows, give you the natural light because, come on now, everybody loves the natural light. I'm excited. Outfit for today, minus the jacket. Hey. Alright. Turn this light on. Keep it moving. It's kind of cold in here, that's why I have my jacket on. Not gonna lie. Okay. Boop. And we're almost there. Oh, also, I'm taking this downstairs now. It's been upstairs for a while, because you just want to place it around the house. Give it a nice feeling. Homey feeling, if I don't say so myself. Never forget the bathroom lights. And I think we need this one on. Boop. Always remember, lock the doors. Take the keys with you, or else you're in trouble. All right, I got all my signs in the back. I need to get some cardboard to put over them so they don't get even more scratched up than they are. You want to start with the farthest and work your way back to the house so people don't start showing up and you're not there, right? Right. All right, guys, I'm back. Got my purse on. And we got the 303 over there. The white tanks over there. Yesterday I put a sign over there and I think it got taken down. Either that or the wind blew it. We'll see. I'm gonna put one on this side today. The neighborhood we're going to is over there. Where would they see it? They might see it over here. But then it's already too late. I think I'm going back across the street. And hopefully this one doesn't get taken. Right there. Yep, it's not there anymore. I'll put this one here. All right. Now we're across the street from the sign. The sign I put is gonna be right over there. So now I'm gonna put one over here, and I think over there to get people off the freeway. All right. Find this. We got the 10, the I-10, and the 303 over here. The plaza's over there. There's a sign over there. You can see it. Hit the like button. Shoot, even subscribe. I would appreciate it. Got 3 signs up so far. Got more in the car. All right. So now we're going a little into the neighborhood. I'm gonna put one across the street. There's 2 signs over there, so I think I want to put it where they're. Almost got hit. Just set a sign right there. Trying to keep it moving. Then I'm gonna put one over there. So I have 2 more signs left. I just put one down there. Talk to that gentleman. Hopefully he comes visits. But I want to grab attention from both sides of the street as if I can. I got that side. Haven't really done this side right, so I'll put the sign down over here. Just drove down the street where there's 2 signs down there. House is right there. I'll put one like right there and then put one in the driveway. We have did it, folks. We made it back to the property. Woo, 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 woo. And boom. We are prepared for our open house.